Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming basics. Your device is unlocked and powered. That avoids interruptions. Once ready, close the app, swipe up or use recent apps so background processes stop. Next, locate the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Long press it to reveal options. This long press is the first actionable step because it exposes uninstall or app info controls. Make sure to hold until the menu appears. Then move to the uninstall option to continue. Once the uninstall control is visible, drag the icon to uninstall or tap app info, then choose uninstall. This triggers the removal routine. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Tap uninstall or delete to clear app files and free storage. For pre-installed system apps, you may only see disable or remove updates. Choose disable to stop the app and reclaim some space. After confirmation, wait for the progress to finish. This step ensures app components and cache data are cleaned from your device. After the uninstall completes, return to your home screen by pressing the home button or swiping up. This confirms the app icon is gone and you're back to normal navigation. If the icon still appears, reboot the device to refresh the launcher or clear the launcher's cache and settings to force an update. And if uninstall via icon fails, open Settings, go to Apps, find the app and uninstall there. This alternate path solves stubborn cases and ensures the app and data are removed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.